Okay, so let me tell you, group task is, as the name shows, it is the task which all of you are to do together as a group. So it is little different from group discussion. In the group discussion, he will give you a topic on which you have to talk. In group task, he will give you a task. He will give you a problem. Task normally is a problem, ticklish problem, which you have to find solution to. You have to think among yourself. You have to take the opinion of one another and find the solution at the end. So when you start, I'll give a chance to each one of you to start. When you start, you have to say, okay, this is the problem we have here, and we are sure that all of us can give our own opinion about this and find out the solution through consensus. So a problem look like ticklish, but yes, we can find the solution to this with help of one another. So you need to show yourself as a team actually. And when the discussion starts, then also how it is different from group discussion is, in group discussion you are not bothered about making somebody understand your view. But in this case you have to listen to others, and if you disagree you just convince him that okay, we should find the solution to this. Like typical college project, when you are doing a group task, so you have to see the problem, you have to talk to yourself. Okay, let's do like this, so we should do like this, let's do like this, so these terms should come out. Let's do like this, let's do, we should find out. This is what the group task is all about. And at the end when we conclude, then you have to say okay, we have reached a solution. So as per entire group, the solution for this problem can be like this. This is what the, I think, conclusion part should be. So group discussion and group task, when the observer will give you the topic difference will be, group discussion mein he will give you any topic. The reason of India's GDP per capita lesser than Sri Lanka, it can be like this. Group task mein he gives you a problem. By industry mein this has happened, there's a worker under you and this has happened to him and now he is saying this, what do you think should be done? Problem he will give you. Group discussion mein you are giving your opinion, your point. Group task mein you are listening others, adding your point into that, giving the solution at the end. So it is not your project, it is the project of everyone together. That is where the difference is, group task and group discussion. Now let me dictate you what is the task I'm giving you today. You have to write in your copy the task, and then you have to find the solution to that. So please write the task in your copy now. Please write that task. Okay. So there is a reactor to be built in a village by your company. There is a reactor to be built in a nuclear reactor is to be built in a village by your company. You are working in a company which is to commission or establish nuclear reactor in a village, but people are opposing it due to fear of nuclear accident. People are opposing it due to fear of nuclear accident or radiation effect. Nuclear accident or radiation effect. How to convince them? How to convince them? Let me again read it. Your company is building a nuclear reactor in a village, wants to build, but the people of surrounding areas of that village and all, they are opposing it for the fear of nuclear accident or effect of nuclear radiation. So how to convince them? You are the executive of your company and you want to convince them for setting up such a reactor in the village. So I'm reading it third time and after that we start. So you are working in a company which wants to build nuclear reactor in a village, but people of that village and surrounding areas, they are opposing it due to the fear of nuclear accident or radiation effect. Now the task is how to convince them for this. So you can keep yourself mute till I raise each one's name and we can talk. Keep yourself mute, please. Okay, I think I can start from Karan. Karan, you can start the group task.
Hello friends, I have noted down the all points that I think from means village people can be convinced. Okay, please try to solve them. First, I want to say that first we have to approach the person which is representing as a leader for their village. If the person might be a sarpanch, okay, or might be a some religious person, okay, because major people of village listen to them. Okay, so first we have to make a meeting and discuss all things related to this. Okay, and I know that people will also fear this radiation effect. But if we give him a benefits, like for example, we give him some small type of employment and insurance, we give him benefits like electricity, less price of electricity, even for initial period of 5 or 10 years. If they feel that they are getting more advantage from nuclear reactor, so they will think about it. Okay, even though they know that they are hazard, but they will also think that there is a benefit from this. Then to make them believe that our reactor will be not hazardous for them, we will demonstrate them that by some means of small illustration. For example, if we have a device that can control a nuclear reactor radiation, okay, or we will show them demonstration that how we will be going to be make everything under our control. That will build up a confidence for them. Okay. The next thing that I will give is that okay, I will listed that.
Okay, Siddharth. Siddharth.
Good evening, friends. I think that this is a quite a chaotic topic that is being given to us, and the task is going to be difficult for all of us, but we have to tackle that properly. I believe that it's a quite difficult task to convince a group of people who are fear about the radiation effect and the bad effects of a nuclear hazard. I think we must first talk to them, to their leader or someone else who is representing from their side. And after that, I think we must tell them about the safety measures that our company has taken to eradicate any sort of accident or act upon in case of any mishap. And moreover, I think we must hold on a meeting to take some measures for the individuals who are opposing for the project, and I think we must give something like a household or something like that, such that our employment also can be a possibility, which should attract them to allow us to build a reactor there. So I invite all of you to participate in this discussion and make it a good discussion air. Thank you.
Vishnu.
Good evening, everyone. As we know, we are building a nuclear reactor in village. Uh, so we have a problem. We have a situation here. So we need to convince the village people that this nuclear reactor doesn't affect their lives. And they are mainly fearing because of nuclear accident and the radiation effect from this reactor. We want to make them convinced that this is not the case, and we need to convince them mainly. We can convince them by giving some points, like that is the main thing we need to discuss about. So in one of that we can make stay people in their village, those working in this reactor, जो reactor में जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, so we can make them stay in those their village only, so that they believe that they will have confidence and they will have trust that it is not the case. And we can tell them the safety measure we are taking about not to have we are we can tell the safety measures that we are having very good shield, or some we are having very good technology, and we can demonstrate them and to convince them, and we can do or many things. I would like to have your points too on this to have a good concession. I would welcome all of you to give your valuable points on this and have a good discussion.
Anand?
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to initiate this discussion that the task given here for the discussion, we need to find a solution of this task, that there is a nuclear reactor we have to build in a village, and uh, but the people around the village are opposing us to are they are fear of the nuclear accident and radiation effect. So as a team, we are doing that, and we have to convince them that the uh, to overcome their fear from the nuclear accident and the radiation. So what can be the solutions? We have to think about it, that the uh, from which things we can convince them, like we can show them that our friends have already mentioned that the many points, like we can show the safety equipments we are using there, uh, and give we are using there, and what we are doing for the reducing the radiation effect. And we can give this by showing them, like we can give this surety that there is not much harm they're doing. And also we can show them that there is also beneficial for them, that the 24 hours they will get the electricity and water supply. They will get they will get everything. And also we can convince that this is the power of the country, that after installation of this, we can show them that India will become the most powerful country. So by this is my points by which we can. And also I would like to hear your points also. So let's find out the solution and make our conclusion. Thank you.
Manu?
Good evening, everyone. The task given to us is a really complex task because we have to convince the local population. They may not be very educated. So, for our company, what can do is that we have to first convince the local leaders of that population, and we have to say that we will be giving many incentives like cheap electricity and employment to the people of that region. And we have to make them we have to convince them about our safety measures, like there's a thick concrete wall to prevent the radiation escape. Like has already happened in somewhere in our country, like Kudankulam. There was also a large protest, and the people were convinced finally, and a plant is successfully working there. And it's also working in the plants like these are also working in other parts of the world also, and they are working safely. The chances of a nuclear accident incident is a very low one, and we will make this one only in an isolated area. We will not be taking anyone's land or houses, and we can say something like this to the local leaders and make them tell these things to the local population, because they may not be agreeing with the foreigners' views, especially the company is not a familiar one to them. They will only be agreeing with their leaders. So we have to convince them first. That's my view, sir.
Okay, Ankit?
Good evening, friends. I am glad to start the group task. The task given to us is we have to convince the villagers to build a nuclear reactor. So, our first, we will, first of all, we will find the leader or sarpanch. Then we'll tell them about the benefit of the reactor, that it will provide electricity and development in that area, and we'll tell them that we will provide job for the locals also, for the building the, for the building of reactor. And we will tell them about the safety factor taken by us and give demonstration about the dumping of the radioactive material and everything. And yeah, that's it. Now I invite all of you to give their opinion for the conclusion.
Okay, Ashish.
Okay. Good evening, friends. My name is Ashish Rajpal. So today we are gathered here to provide a solution to a situation like where we have to build a nuclear reactor in a village, and we have to convince those people, villagers, so that we would be able to build that reactor. So the basic problem is that as my friend already mentioned, that the villages are not to the mark, to the well educated, so we have to convince the local leaders only. And in that case we can hold meetings, and we can there is another thing we can do. We can provide them with the like with any government starting a project like nuclear reactor, we have to do this environment impact analysis, so that reports can be shown to them. And with that would be a like permanent proof that we are going to help those villagers also. And that organization can provide, it can do various services to the villagers also, like in the name of CSR activities, that is corporate social responsibility. We can lend them education and services. We can provide them infrastructures, roads, and these kind of facilities. And in that way they can get be convinced. And this is was my point of view. I would like to hear about others, so I open the house for the discussion.
Renu.
Good evening, friends. My name is Renu Gupta, and I am glad for such group discussion. And first of all, we need to find the solution for build the nuclear reactor and convince the people for build the nuclear reactor. First of all, we will use the those type of technology that reduce radiation up to nil in nuclear reactor. After that, such report will issue to the people that such nuclear reactor is not harmful for the people. And we will say that if such nuclear reactor affect a negative impact, then our company will pay damage and our company will responsible for this negative impact. That's all.
Okay, Rahul.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Best. I'm glad to be a part of this group task. The task given us is there is a nuclear reactor to be built in a village by our company, but the people nearby are opposing it due to the fear of nuclear accident. So how to convince them? First of all, what we have to do? First of all, we have to listen to their problems. The villagers which are coming, we have to listen to them. In short, what the problem they are thinking, what the problem due to our nuclear reactor. Then we have to arrange a meeting with Gram Pradhan, which is the leader of their village. So after that, we have to arrange a meeting with the villagers with the help of the Gram Pradhan. Then we teach them of our project, like what we are doing there and how we are doing and what are the technologies we are using in the reactor. And then we can tell them about our safety norms, what safety precautions we are taking there, how thick insulation walls we are using there, all about that. And after that, we can tell about our benefits which they can get, like the electricity we can provide them with lesser charge. The jobs is going to increase in the nearby area. The business in the nearby area is going to increase because of this nuclear reactor, because many people work there. So like the food shop, confectionery shop, service sector around the company is going to increase. So now I invite all of you to give your valuable suggestions so that we can reach consensus.
Okay, so I think first session we have completed, all of us, and now I go for the second round, and the second round is discussion among you. Since we are going for group task, so as you are already aware, it is not a discussion, it is a task. All of you are a part of a team. So you need to cooperate, you need to talk to yourself and eventually reach out to some kind of consensus. And in the conclusion opportunity given to each one of you, you are to come out with a result and conclusion of the discussion, this entire task. So now I open the house for the discussion among you.
Okay,
So
friends,
basically, I think
as
that
we all
yes,
discussed,
moreover, what we can do.
first task is to make listen to their problems of the villagers. Then the second task, main task, is that we have to set a meeting with the Gram Pradhan, because it's the leader of the local leader. So all the villagers listen to him. So according to me, we first have to arrange a meeting with the Gram Pradhan.
And moreover, after going to the meeting, we must try to know what are their problems, and what is their mindset, that if they're wanting something else, such like employment or something like facilities, what are they trying to get?
Definitely.
And
No, actually,
yes.
the problem here
The
is
Gram Pradhan
that
directly.
we are not going to
Yeah.
I'm directly agreeing with you.
My friend,
yes,
look,
Actually, we already know the
Right, that
problem.
There is a problem
but
related
first
to
of all, we have to also think
nuclear
about that
reactor, or
they are
is a
much
problem,
fear.
any other problem.
We
have
need
to
look,
to.
discuss
look,
that if
listen to one
they
they
are
are
minute.
the
This is
main
not GD,
problem
this
is
is
from the
GD.
nuclear reactor, or
as
there
Take
is
it.
any
as
other
Like that.
problem. Is
stating
they are
that,
Yeah,
as
yeah.
Anand is stating
telling.
that they have this problem, they have this
They
fear
have,
of nuclear accident or radiation effects.
yeah.
So what we do, we will provide them the basic permanent solutions for that. That like
Yeah.
it can be on the papers. Like we will show them how the safety norms are going to be
But
implemented.
Ashish,
And since
Ashish,
see, let me
Yeah,
complete.
Look,
Let me
they are
this is
complete.
not,
not
they are
let him
villagers.
complete.
They
Let him.
don't concern
He's
about
on the
any
right track.
papers.
He's
We have to
saying-
arrange a meeting where we can show them what are our safety norms, how we are working, what is our technology, so we can teach them.
Yeah,
Little
Rahul,
bit,
he's
not the
also
whole
saying
thing.
same thing.
Moreover,
Rahul,
if they, moreover,
We have to
the
give
main
a
problem
little idea to them.
arise when
See, I'm
if they're
going further into
if they're
it,
money minded.
that
Ashish,
everybody
what I
knows
think is
that
that
every
if they're money
project
minded,
that
they're
has
not.
been started needs a
they are,
environment impact assessment.
Yes, Ashish, what I
And
think is that
Yeah.
they're not
this is
going
not
to.
Siddharth, you are saying that
India.
they are money
If they're
minded,
not
but
agreeing to
You
the
are
safety
making
measures,
like
yes, they are,
if they're not getting to, if
Siddharth,
they're
we
not
cannot
convinced.
assume anything about them that they are
Yes.
money
yes,
minded.
so there could
Siddharth,
be
we
some
cannot
people
assume
that
anything
with,
about them
If they're
Anand,
that
not
they are the
there is
money
a
convinced,
minded.
condition. Anand, just
Actually, the
listen
Hello,
to
people
me.
is
everyone,
not convincing
Right
here
thing.
because
If
of
that
their
condition occurs,
hello, everyone, please
fearness.
come.
there,
Hello,
Anand,
please,
there may be a condition. There
hello,
may be a
everyone,
condition
please
which
communicate.
look, listen,
which
please.
Siddharth
I
is
have
saying.
one easy
Hello,
solution for
everyone.
our group task. Look, we divide our task. One of our 1 or 2 hour handle people. 1 or 2 will handle how we will solve the problem of demonstrating them
But
that they,
main
this
Karan,
problem.
you can
And
Hello,
put
one
your
of our
everyone.
points.
will
Karan,
be so.
Karan,
yeah, Karan, we
Hello.
are
He will
listening
give
to you.
us.
Karan, we are all
You
the
can put
part
your
of this
point.
group task. Karan,
moreover, the
listen.
thing is
We are
that.
all the part of this group task. So we
But
let's
you are making
discuss.
it
We
like a
can.
Yes,
GD.
yes, exactly, Rahul.
Now you are
No,
making it like a GD. We will divide it in our
but we
work.
can discuss. But we can discuss. We are not
Yes,
yeah,
fighting. We
yes.
are
Hello,
discussing.
hello,
Karan,
okay,
everyone.
we are discussing normally.
This is group task, and please communicate one by one, because of
But
if
Renu,
we
yeah.
but
if
Renu,
You
we
are
are
just trying to
discussing.
make that my
speak
point
as
is
Renu,
fair.
we have
Siddharth,
not
coming
much
to your point,
time.
coming
That
to your
then we
point,
cannot
Siddharth,
find
I
out
am
the
let's
agreeing with
put
you
conclusion.
our
that you are
points.
saying
Let's
that
put our
But
points. That
please,
we
what
have
we
to
need to do.
talk
We
about
need
that
give
to
where
one
find
by
a
that
one
what
solution
is
of
the
a
conclusion.
common
intention
I
problem.
think
behind
That's
their
a,
that we
protest.
have to
Rahul.
we have
Rahul,
to
let me
Otherwise,
go
we
also
to
cannot
in
let me
find
terms of
out the
one
conclusion.
direction, such
yeah,
that
yeah.
we can reach into a consensus. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But
Siddharth, you are
Siddharth,
saying that
I am agreeing with
they
your
are money
point. If
minded
that the
people.
condition occur, then
Rahul? Let me also tell me.
okay, Anand,
You can.
Anand, I know
You
your
have put in
point,
your
what you
point
are
that
saying, but I
we
am
have
saying
listened.
that
I think
Siddharth is
this
saying
is
the right
not a
thing. If
war
that
zone
occurs,
actually. We are
Let us
if
working
that
as a
occurs,
team, right?
then what we will do?
Let us split our
It's the
work.
Yes,
first
yes,
task.
that's what I am talking.
Main thing is
That's
that
what I'm
the
talking.
point is
Yes,
everybody
Following
is
that,
I'm
if they're
agreeing.
wanting some
Rahul, let other
facilities and
people also
other
speak.
things, then we
Everyone
could
is
we
speak
could
guys,
talk to our
one by
senior
one.
You
managers.
can give
a very
point.
good point.
Speak,
Vishnu,
Rahul is
otherwise
you
starting
we
can
with
add
cannot
a
a
find out
point.
the
very,
conclusion.
It's
very
not a
good
understand
problem.
that
Are we able
also
to
discuss how we will
provide them such
convince the
facilities?
people.
make points
Yes, are we
what
able?
are going to be the
Yes,
problems. Like you
Yeah,
have
yes.
told that fear of
Yes, yes, exactly.
nuclear
yeah.
accident, and
Main
it
thing.
could be due to radiation effect.
Yeah.
There is
Yeah.
We can
also one
build
important
as
major
an
we need
engineer.
to take
As
care
an
of,
engineer,
that is the
there are so
radiation waste. We are
Assis.
we are not focusing about how we are going to
Assis, I really
of
appreciate that
radiation waste.
you have
We have to
came
provide
out the
them
problems.
this
Assis,
system
I
also.
really appreciate that you have came out the problem that they are fear of the radiation effect. So there are so many engineers like me, like us, that there are mechanical engineers. We can build a radiation shield from which we can reduce the
Yes,
effect
I
of
agree
the
with you on that.
Listen,
But
Anand,
Anand,
but
what-
villagers don't know about
Convincing them,
If
not
they are
building a
not
ship.
going to agree,
The main
that
problem
is
is
not
not
only
with
proof
our
that they
hand.
are going to agree.
Anand,
Hello.
we are applying the safety norms, but problem with the
Yes.
villagers, we don't know our
Yeah,
policies.
yeah,
Yes,
as
But
you have
the
we will
villagers are
tell
not
them our
educated.
policies. We
and
will
we will
talk
show
about
them.
our
Maybe
policies.
We will show them.
or something
Yes,
like that.
definitely, Vishnu.
In the meeting,
My friends, I want to make one point that they are not educated and they will be thinking about their profit. They want to take their profit. They want
Yes,
to take
It's a very
definitely.
sensitive
Yes.
population.
I'm
They
agreeing
have
with you. We
to
have
supply
to
the
talk
company.
about their benefits.
Profit,
Like
Don't
we are
have,
giving them
uh,
electricity
Educators
with
are
less
getting that
charge.
direction.
We
yeah,
are increasing their jobs there. We are increasing
Yes,
their business. Like food
exactly.
shop
And
is
making
going to
some road
increase there.
facilities or
There
something
will
like that.
development will
and
go.
also we
Their
can do one
benefits
thing,
because they
and
only
also
understand that thing.
okay, on
Okay.
also we can do one thing, that at the time of testing, when the final nuclear reactor testing time will done, then we can shift them
But
them
they
to
don't
other
allow you
places.
to
Yes, that
build.
can be a
No, no, no.
Anand,
possibility.
if we don't do that, they don't allow you to build that nuclear reactor.
Yes.
First, you need
Yes.
to make
We will
agree,
create a
Anand.
prototype, okay?
It's
We
there.
will show
That
them
can
a
be a
small scale
possibility.
model, and we will show
We
them
should
that how this is
Yeah.
going to work, how
Rahul,
Even
if
But
something goes
Karan,
bad, then how
Rahul,
we
can
will
you
do it.
elaborate that how they cannot allow
What
that
are the other facilities we are going to provide? And as we
yes,
know that
definitely
every
they
corporate
understand
has
that.
to do, every corporate has
Let
to
him
do
finish
some
here.
kind of CSR activities.
yeah,
And in
yeah,
the name of
also,
CSR activities, we can
yeah,
provide them education services, we can provide infrastructure to them, like infrastructure, particularly talking about having a good sewerage treatment plant, because we know that in villages we don't have this infrastructure, basic infrastructure like roads or sewerage treatment
Yes,
plants.
definitely, Ashish.
Yes,
I'm
yeah,
agreeing
yes,
with you.
definitely.
so
Ashish,
yeah, another is the Manu already told that is the power of country, and if we build the more nuclear, it will increase the power. There
But
most
Vishnu, the
some
villagers
will
are not
come.
But
concerned
Manu,
about our world
but
or our country.
but Vishnu, the thing
They
is
are
that
concerned
how can
about
you
their
assume this?
they
profit.
are not
Rahul,
they are
Rahul,
not
this is
concerned
your
about the nation.
assumptions. Everybody love
Reality
country.
always
Yes,
Everybody
Yes.
love
you are
country.
giving your
Rahul,
System
you
always
cannot
main
works.
thing is
Everyone
that
loves
System
us.
works
show
and
that
system
make it
also works.
they are
practical.
only.
Everyone is
Vishnu,
loving his country.
just
Yeah,
make it
everybody is
practical.
loving
And
They
they are
know
not
that
educated enough.
I'm just adding is one of the points.
Profit
You are
itself.
just
No,
cutting
Rahul,
the point. That's
you
why
cannot
not the
assume anything
beneficiary.
about them.
Let's make some
yes.
else a point. You
That's
three
why
are
we
just
are
cutting
giving the first thing is that
sentence
we
of
listen to
other
the
person.
people, ensure their problem, what the problem they
Already
are
know
going
the
to
problem,
face, what
Yeah,
they
Rahul.
are
Exactly.
yeah, that we
That's why
will
we are
We
definitely
saying.
want to
do.
give the
It's our
That
first
solution.
task.
that our in our solutions we have find a solution, that we will keep a meeting. That is the
Yeah, of
difference.
course,
Yes,
the meeting.
definitely.
Very
This is our
sensitive
first, which
population.
all
They
are
are
agreeing.
not
I think
listening to
But
our
what
words.
we will
They
What we
discuss
should
focusing
tell
on
from
them.
their
this, they
local
will
leaders.
convince.
I think that
How to convince?
we can
What are
make
our
a list
points?
of
Yeah.
what
I
are the
think we want to
facilities.
the one year three steps
My
for.
friends, I want to say one thing
According
that
to me, we
we can
have to
make a
teach
list of
them.
the
I think
facilities that
According
our
to me, we
company is
have to
able
arrange
to
a meeting with
provide
the
them.
villagers and teach them
Yes.
what we
Yes,
are
two
doing,
person
how
Okay,
we are
we
doing
have.
it, what are
I
our
think
technologies.
I think that we can
Yeah.
make a list of the facilities that our company is able to provide them, such that they would get
Indeed,
convinced.
Yeah.
I think for
Siddharth,
Actually,
build
The
I'm
real
the
agreeing
question
with you.
here is
nuclear.
that
actually,
you have
we
to,
are.
before
We,
you start your plant,
I
you have to show them that what you will get in. If you say that you will provide this, then already are familiar with that. The whatever what we promise we made, that might be not satisfied in the future. So you
I
have to
think
start
if we
we
Yes,
need
the
to
project.
first.
that's why we are
We
want
planning.
to
Karan,
we
Very
want to
we
need to
provide
build
is
a nuclear
Karan, that's why
reactor,
we are
then
planning.
we
That's why
want
we
to
are holding meetings, and that's
follow
why we
all
are
the steps.
Just
First
meeting
of
will
all,
not
repeated
have the
meetings.
problem.
we want
Because they
that is
don't
a
know
very good
about the
point that
nuclear
has been
reactor.
Yes.
Because
like
we are
we can
educated, we
provide
know
a
how
very
the nuclear
realistic
reactor works,
amount
and
of
they don't know
facilities
how
to
the
them,
nuclear reactor
like
works, and
which
they are
can
fear
be
of
in
that.
our range,
So
can be
we
in
can
our
teach
limits.
them.
How will you
We
teach
don't
them?
have to teach them.
Wait.
We have to
How will you teach them?
demonstrate it.
Just explain
Karan,
how you will
Karan,
teach them.
like
I mean,
yes, Karan, I
we
am
need to
telling. Like we
demonstrate
can
it,
tell
and
us what we are
we will
doing in
give
the
safety
nuclear
measures
reactor
to the.
plant.
We will
How
tell
we
them.
are doing that? What are the safety norms we are deciding there? Like the thick walls we are applying there, the
Yes,
type of
exactly.
insulation we are
What I
providing.
want to
This
say is
type we
that
can teach them.
how
I'm
you
not
tell
talking about the main technology.
non-educated
I'm not
people that
telling
how
you
this
about the
will
main
work.
technology.
Just
Teaching
explain me this
doesn't
thing.
mean
How
that
you
don't
will teach
No,
them
they
that
are
this
not going to convince because they are not
I
educated.
think
Educated
we
people
They are
we
not
cannot
want to
convince
we
educated.
have
only by
teach
They
them
will be
little
thinking
bit.
what they will be getting.
How they cannot
They will be trying to
convince?
find out
If
apart from
we
that.
want to
Understand
build
the
the
fact that the
nuclear
uneducated
reactor,
people of the village will not know
Okay,
how
Kiran.
nuclear
yes.
reactor works, how it can be
But
done.
Karan,
So we
but
have to
I
go
think,
through the
Karan,
middleman
I'm
like
not
I think,
But Karan,
Let
I'm not telling
I
that
think,
we have to
let
teach
Kirsan
each
her.
and everything to them. We have to teach them some basics. like how the
Yes.
nuclear reactor
Yes, we
works,
can
some
say
Yeah,
basic.
yeah, Rahul.
We
Yeah.
should give them
Yeah, we can
I
examples
agree.
of
But
our
I
earlier
think the
projects
problem is
also.
that the
Teach to
rumors
them.
spread more
That
faster than
how
our
they are
knowledge.
teaching.
The other people will say that these
Actually,
people are only for
we
profit.
need
They
to
only
we
they
need
also
to
And as
understand
our
that you are
friend
here for a
Ashish
profit.
we need to
also
So
gain
they
their
shared
will
some
trust
points
definitely
also.
about
get
the
into
road
So we
facilities
could
and
make
CSR
some of
activities
our
such as
employees stay there.
education and other facilities, sewage treatment plant, and 24-hour
Definitely.
electricity and some
Siddharth,
foolproof
Yeah,
these
water
type
yeah.
in
of companies are
families.
also made
That
by
is
I
politicians.
think
that
Siddharth,
we
These
can
type of
list out.
companies are
I
also
think
made
I
We
by
are
think
all
Karan,
politicians
agreeing
before
with
if
that.
election.
We have to discuss
But
I
they are
about
think
the
never satisfied.
benefits,
So
but
because of
I
main
great
thing is
I
profit.
that
think Karan,
to
if we
study
want to,
that point, we have to
I
teach them a
I
little
think
basic about that.
I
But
think
we
Yes,
Rahul,
yes,
keep
exactly.
stucking there.
if we want to the build the nuclear reactor, then we want to the follow the three step. First of all, we want to be meeting, and second, we want to be use the safety equipment for reduce the
Definitely.
Yeah.
radiations with the nil level. And third of all, we want to be convince the people. For that, if such reactor give the negative
Yeah,
impact
yeah,
on the people,
yeah,
then
Renu. Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah, Renu.
our
You are right
company
that we can show
will
them the
responsible
their benefit
for this.
also. After
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, and
And
yes,
reactor is
that
yeah,
going
But
definitely
Yes,
there
sir.
will
why?
be
yeah,
some
yeah,
negative
Why?
yeah,
impact.
Why?
That
Renu,
Why
we
you
the
check
will
the
are
list
benefit?
out
reactor
the
right
every
that
points.
month.
we can
We
show
can
the
say that we
benefit
check the
that
reactor
the
every
So
month
So,
and
friends, main
every
thing
month
is
and
that we are concerning about that. First thing, we all agree that we listen to the problem of the villagers,
Yes,
ensure the
yes,
problem.
yes,
yes.
sir.
Second
Yes,
thing is
yes,
main thing we
yes,
We
all
must
sir.
are
make it
agreeing
as a
that we arrange
procedure.
a meeting with
Yes,
the
main
Gram Pradhan.
main
yes,
thing is
Third
what
thing is
we
Yes,
that we
yes,
arrange a
how
meeting
we
with
are
the
I agree.
villagers and teach them
yeah
little basic about that. And the
yes,
main thing, last we talk about their benefits, what the
yes.
Yes,
benefits they get from our company.
What they
yes,
will be
yes,
getting
yes,
from
what are
us.
the
Yes,
safety
correct.
yes,
norms.
yes,
That's correct.
But
We
problem is
convince
that
them
you have
by
to
saying
show some
safety
part of
norm
the
also.
benefit. If the
Safety
them
norms are the
support
most
building nuclear
important.
reactors, so they will
safety norms
make
is
their faith
most
on you.
important.
We all are
Yeah.
agreeing, but
Renu, what is
Karan,
that? If
What
I
are
say
the
that
safety
Karan,
norms
the
we are
nuclear
but
source
providing?
main thing is
That
that
also we
Karan
need
some
is
to
part
not
of
talk.
That
agreeing with us.
the
before building
That
uneducated
nuclear
Karan,
villagers
reactors,
will
then
not
they
be
I
will
think
convinced
we
about
want
the
to be
safety
use the
norms.
Siddharth,
They will
norms.
Siddharth,
not
we
be
are all
convinced about
agreeing
the
with the
safety
same
norms.
point, but Karan is
This is
opposing
a
our
very
point.
new thing to
So
them.
let's discuss the current points. Karan,
Yes,
I am saying
what
that if we, you are true that you want to say that people will get this benefit, but what I say that people will only get our faith if we give them some part of benefit in is before building nuclear reactor. Like for example, we will to start a road because that
Yeah.
road will be also used by
yeah,
ourselves.
that's what
But
I'm
Yes,
before
Karan,
that,
we
we
could
cannot
do
do
that.
Karan,
that
all are
we
not
need
but
agree for
Karan,
road
this
and
type of benefit because
educational
just
facilities.
is
Karan,
health
if you
issue.
listen to me,
Ashish
that it's
Rajpal,
not
our
Karan,
feasible,
friend, has
it's
it's not
mentioned
not
that
practical that
already.
right.
we
And
make their
employment
road
facilities
first, then we make
also,
our
we
company.
must
It's
give
not
that.
feasible for the company.
acha,
How
eh,
can
Yes,
we do
and
that?
Actually,
that's the
okay,
Karan, we
most
can do
important
If
thing
this.
that we
Actually,
must
anyone
think about.
Karan, we
What
could
are
do
the
that, but
facilities that
so
our
there is a
company could
problem that
provide them?
after
After
the
gaining the interest from the company, we can do that
Yes,
work. But how
yes,
can we do
yes,
it
exactly.
yes, yes,
beforehand?
I
But
agree with
my friend,
Rahul.
if you
I
are
agree.
building the nuclear
Yes,
reactor,
exactly.
then you need a road to transport your material from one
And
your
moreover, we
construction
must
site to
think
the
about
Karan,
village.
is
Okay,
it's
so
not
must
then you
think
cannot
about
possible.
how
definitely
much
need a road for an
money
Yes,
that
extra.
our company
I'm
could
agreeing with
incur
Renu
and
there.
would be able to
yeah,
incur.
let's talk
Yes,
Okay,
about main our safety measure
Siddharth,
and which
Okay,
are the major.
I think now we can go for conclusion. So I give chance to each one of you to conclude here and then proceed. I start from Ankit. Ankit, now you have chance to speak.
First of, sir, as all of you has discussed, so first of all, we should listen the villagers' problem. Then we will work out on that and then find the leader. Then we'll discuss about our safety norms and whatever our technology we will use and give the example of our previous projects that are running very well, and then we will tell about the benefits that are going to we give going to we will give them. And as our friend said that we will give some CSR like education and infrastructure development. All of we will tell them about all of them so they will get ready to build.
Okay. Manu?
So, from the ideas we got from this discussion or the ideas we shared, we can know that these people are, if most of the people are not worried about the money they're getting by building this reactor when one company does it, rather than they fear about their own safety. So, what we have to convince first them that they are not going to be affected by this reactor in any bad manner, because already such reactors are working in our country and they are not impacted by any such incidents. So we will have to first convince their local leaders about these incidents. and we'll have to convince them about our plans and what will be happening to the villagers if these plans comes up. Like they will be getting jobs and they will be getting cheap electricity. And one thing I could not agree with is that these people are money minded and they will be grabbing more things, they will be demanding more things in the future. But if they are convinced about their safety, they will not be protesting much, I think. Yes, sir.
Okay, then I think Anand.
Friends, finally we have reached at the conclusions, and it was a very chaotic discussion, but finally we have got the very good points, and we have converging on the many points on the same we have converging on the same points at the many times, like the everyone was the agree we will keep a meeting with them, and discuss with the Gramin Panchayat and the leader, and we will show the safety norms and the precautions what we are using to use the to install is safely nuclear reactor, and we will provide the some electricity power and the many things to them. We will provide employment also, and one of the our friends that the Manu, he has also said that he has seen this scenario earlier, and finally people were getting convinced, and we installed successfully. So definitely this time also we can discuss with them, and we will definitely uh, get a chance to convince them, and finally we install successfully. So that's all on me. Thank you.
Vishnu.
वन मिनट और किसी को बोलना सर, मुझे थोड़ा सा पहले नहीं।
Vishnu, bolo. Go ahead. You want to say at the end?
हाँ यस सर, थोड़ा टाइम के बाद।
Okay, Siddharth.
Yes, we had a very nice discussion on the problem given to us, and I think we reached into a consensus that we must follow some procedures, and that has to be followed to solve this problem. And I think the first step would be to talking to the leader of the people who are protesting, and the second task would be to making them convinced about the safety measures that we have taken regarding the construction of our plant. And the third step would be to go through some feasible facilities that we could provide them, such that they would get convinced, such as 24-hour electricity, building roads and educational facilities, and also sewage and other facilities. I think we had a very good discussion on that. Thank you.
Okay, now Karan.
Okay, we have discussed about this many point. We discussed many point. First, we discussed that we should meet the people. Okay, and the problem is, as the old friend said, we first list out the what they are means what they are fearing the most. Okay, we try to take a maximum feedback as possible, because from that we will be able to analyze that now what we have to show them so that they can put a faith on us. Okay, so first we have to interact people. Even though people are saying that we should interact with means Gram Pradhan or Sarpanch, but I would personally suggest that we should go more deeper. That we should contact each and every leader or every person which represents a small community of the means people. Okay, so through that we can get a maximum benefit from that. Now we know that what the people are fearing and what they are demands it. So now we will try to demonstrate their minds by means of presentation models or a prototype, so that neither their safety will be compromised or and they will definitely going to get a more benefit from this project. And the third will be that after we ensure that there is no problem on that, and then we will show them that this will think the final product will giving them more job opportunity and the future for their work. So I would suggest that by this way we may achieve our goal. Thank you.
Okay, Ashish.
Okay, so we have discussed about this problem, and we have come to the conclusion that there have to be some certain procedure we have to follow, that we everyone has talked about, that we should hold as many meetings as possible so as to convince them, and in a layman language possible, and we can convince them by providing other facilities, and And as particularly that what I mentioned is about the environment impact assessment, we can use this document as a solid proof to them. And the other facilities, the infrastructure that we have talked about, we can provide them so that they can see this as a source of bright future for them also, not just a black picture of this nuclear reactor. And that is I guess from my point of view, from the conclusion that we have done.
Renu?
Yes, sir. First of all, we want to discuss the village, what is the problem. Second, we want to use the safety equipment so that if anyone complain against the company, then we can show that our company use all the safety equipment. Fourth, we want to provide the other facility so that they can agree for such build the nuclear reactor. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rahul?
Okay. On behalf of my team, I want to conclude that first of all, we have to do, first step is that we have to listen to the peoples, what their problem is and what they are fearing of. And second thing is that we have to arrange a meeting with the Gram Pradhan, which is the local leader, and then convincing the Gram Pradhan. After convincing the Gram Pradhan, we have to arrange meeting with the villagers and teach them little basics about what we are doing, how we are doing, and what is our technology using, and about our safety norms, how insulations we are providing, and all thing about that. After that, we can also give them an idea about what benefit they will get, like electricity. They will get the electricity with less charges. They will get the job. There will be a bright future for their children because there is a nuclear reactor in the nearby area, so that they can work there only without going to the other states. And we can give their business is going to increase, like food shop is going to increase because the employee goes to that food shop and eat nearby. So that's all from my side.
Okay, Vishnu?
I would like to conclude this GT, and I would like to thank for everyone for your valuable opinion. And we mainly concluded with the 3 points. One is, first we had to arrange a meeting with the leader of the village, and after that we need to talk with the people also to convince them. And to convince them, we mainly have 2 things. One is the safety measures and another is benefits. So in safety measures, we have came with some of the safety measures, like we can show them and we can demonstrate our reactor, and we can tell them how it is safely arranged, and those insulator, and how technology is working, and how it is already established in some places in country, like Karan said. So we can already establish in some places in country, so we could give those examples also. And after that, in benefits, and many of us said that, like Rahul also said that we need to give them education, electricity, and the local shop will increase. So these kind of thing we could tell them benefits also, and we could convince them, and we could finally convince them to be so that we could build the reactor in that. And that's from all of this group. Thank you.
So everybody has concluded, right? Now, let me see this way. Now, whenever some topic is given to you, why GT is given to you guys? You are going to join IOCL. Why GT is given to you? So that you should not become collector, police wala, politician, or owner of the company. You should only try to behave as executive in your company. But the kind of solutions you guys were giving, it was looking like you are the chief minister of the state who can maybe give free electricity to all of them, or maybe under chief of your company, I think CEO, who is giving infrastructure, who is building under the corporate social responsibility. Renu even said, okay, compensation we will provide. Renu, do you know the kind of compensation you have to give if nuclear disaster is there?
Yes,
American companies could not give under our nuclear act. Our nuclear act with America still is suspended because of 123 agreement, because compensation still is not done.
yes.
So you need to understand that you are sitting there in the capacity of executive of your company. and what authority, what jurisdiction you have. You are only to basically stick to that. You are not to become collector, police fellow, politician, or chief minister, or exceed your jurisdiction. You are not to do that, and that exactly is something which I want to check. Okay, do you even know what is your authority and what is your power? You are offering freebies like anything, ye de denge, wo de denge. It cannot be given, and somebody said even water free is to be given. You tell me, really, nuclear reactor, how can you give free water? You tell me that. Anand, you said free water you are giving, I think. Electricity to chalo samajh aata, you are producing. What about water, yaar? So tomorrow you'll say, no, we'll give food, clothes, everything with all local people. And then you said money minded people and all these things. I don't know. See, you talked good. I'll say you talked good. But the kind of level which you need to come to, you need to first close your eyes and think of you as executive of the company and ask yourself, what are my jurisdiction? And I want to check your that knack, whether you know what is your authority and do you have those professionalism is the term, professionalism. You are not to speak more, you are not to speak less. You know the difference between technocrat, professional, and politician. Politician can say anything, they say anything and become the cause of controversy. Can you become cause of controversy? Suppose like Renu said, compensation hum de denge. Compensation word she did not use, I think she said responsibility company ka rahega, agar kuch bhi hota hai to I am responsible. Renu said that. Renu, tomorrow company ka chief executive is going to call you, say madam batao kitna responsibility kaise loge? Agar accident ho jata hai to company does not take responsibility. In nuclear disaster, it is a huge trouble. भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी तो पता है ना तुम लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
तो ले लिए क्या हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? आज तक नहीं लिया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज ह्यूज. यही तो ट्रबल है इन केसेस में. इन केसेस में ये ट्रबल है. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल.
एक क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि सर कि हम इस चीज को इंश्योर करवा ले और फिर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम ले सकते हैं अगर इंश्योरेंस करवा ले?
किसकी इंश्योरेंस करेगा कौन? रेनू, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर की, ये बताओ.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी करेगी सर.
कौन कंपनी? बताओ, नाम बताओ कंपनी का. तो कंपनीज बिक जाएंगी, बहुत ह्यूज कंपनसेशन देना पड़ेगा ना. आपको पता है एक
प्रीमियम ज्यादा होगा,
बहुत ज्यादा. आई वांट टू टेल यू नो लाइक दिस Indo-US nuclear deal still is not properly done, and there is a reason American companies are not coming in India to set up their nuclear reactors. They were planning to come because of this only compensation. So it cannot be given. It is a ticklish, and at least you are not the person to talk about it. You are not the person. It may be government, it may be company ka head, chief, but not you as executive. You need to understand your jurisdiction. Now see, all the solutions which you gave are good, but you need to talk about this. So it is like this: you cannot talk to the people. You cannot talk to the people. You need to talk to their leaders. I agree. But when you talk to the leaders, you need to have leaders with you also to talk to them. Maybe you are a North Indian guy going Kudam Kulam. How you will speak Kudam Kulam mein? We have a friend here. Where is he? Manu. Manu, where are you? So how you will speak? Suppose you go to Tamil Nadu, how you will speak to the local people there? They otherwise bloody they will not understand you. You are speaking in Hindi, they don't like it. You are speaking in different language. You are from South India going to North. Our country still is not properly this thing. North, South, we are divided. So you need to have leaders on your side also. So approach is like this. Approach is like this. You are executive of your company. This kind of problem comes, public problem comes. You need to have civil servants with you, district administration with you, local political leaders with you. This problem, I want to ask you, Manu, how this Kudam Kulam problem was resolved? Any idea about that? How they resolved it? So normally these problems are politically motivated also. They are politically motivated also. How people, misinformation is there in the mind of people that if this happens, everybody will die, a nuclear disaster will happen. So to basically remove this fear from their mind, you may as executive not do it alone. It is not possible. You need your team. You're talking about that we will talk to the leaders. We means who? Who are on your side? Tell me that. Who are on your side? Are you going to go alone and talk to them? They will slap you and send you back. You know, are you going to alone meet them? Do you really think so? So who are going to be there with you?
We need a people that can means from that they are
Local
agree
leaders.
to talk with us. For example,
Local
like you
leaders.
said that a local political leader or means administration, so that they are at least try to think that no, these people are from our side, means our native. So we should listen, at least listen should.
Yes, yes.
सर एक प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर मैंने जो लास्ट टाइम और एक जीटीबी देखा था तो वो बहुत स्मूथ गया था, तो बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्यूशन मिले थे कि लोगों ने ना एक्चुअल सॉल्यूशन देने में ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट किए थे। लेकिन आज का तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ था सर, बहुत ही कैओस हो गया था और सेम सॉल्यूशन हम सारे एक ही बात बोल रहे थे कि
जीडी टाइप बना, डिबेट टाइप बना दिया।
मतलब हम सेम एक ही बात बोल रहे थे कि उनको बात करना है, सेफ्टी मेजर बताना है। और
नहीं। Say Vishnu, there are so many points. There are so many points. I'll tell you the kind of points you have given. You have given good points.
गुड पॉइंट है सर, लेकिन हम और अच्छे पॉइंट्स बता सकते थे। मुझे लगता था कि हम शायद अंकित ने कुछ शायद नहीं बोल पाया। आशीष सॉरी
अंकित से अब बुलवा लेते हैं, अंकित दे दो पॉइंट।
सर ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब कि अगर और
Vishnu, it is not going to be, it is going to be like this only.
Okay, sir.
This India is a chaotic madhouse. It is going to be like this only. Don't worry. So be prepared for this. It is going to be like this. And I tell you one more thing now. I tell you one more thing also. If you want to be at peace in our nation, in our country, and happy, then develop this habit to enjoy this phase. You know, you need to do that. As executive also, like you, Karan and Renu are getting irritated. What is going on? Don't get irritated. The kind of energy you are putting on disciplining these guys, you just put that energy in putting your point. That's it. That's all you have to do.
सर अगर मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं एनर्जी दिखा के मेरा पॉइंट भी रखने लग गया तो क्यूरियोसिटी और बढ़ जाएगी। तो
तुम रख देते पॉइंट, तुम पॉइंट रख देते। ऑब्जर्वर सुन रहा था, ऑब्जर्वर ये सुन रहा था कि ये लोग इनको डिसिप्लिन करने लगे हुए हैं। भाई अपना पॉइंट रखो ना यार, जो बोल रहे हैं बाकी भी तो बोल रहे हैं। और ऐसा ही होगा, तुम उनको डिसिप्लिन करते रहोगे। मैं तुम्हें एक नंबर भी दे नहीं पाऊंगा। किस चीज का नंबर दूंगा तुम्हें विष्णु?
Okay.
If I am to give you marks, you tell me what marks I'll give you. Forget about the ethics and morality and what should be. It is not what should be. It is I am to pass this GT, right or not? That is our purpose.
Yes, sir. तो
How
बात
that
करना ही करना
we
है।
cannot control others. We cannot control others. Our priority should be.
That if we means cut the line of said other person, then
You
we
can-
get negative point.
You can once or twice say, friends, let's maintain decorum. You cannot all the time play the role of police here. You cannot do that. That is the role of observer. He will observe it and he will see who is saying what. So don't waste your energy in disciplining others. Number two, this was not a chaotic discussion. Sometime I will upload the chaotic discussion also, but I only fear the public will start abusing me on YouTube. But only thing is I will upload the chaotic where people talk nonsense. People do not listen to others. People fight. They become Arnav Goswami. All are become Arnav Goswami, and that is how it goes on. So that also I will upload. But this was not chaotic. Yeah, this was not quite. I could listen to everybody. I tell you. I will tell you the dissection. I could listen to everybody. So it was not chaotic. Number one, do not waste your energy in disciplining others. Number two, you should know when to speak. When everybody is speaking together, don't enter. But then there are so many phases. You listen to this audio video when I will upload on YouTube. There were so many moments in the discussion when nobody was speaking.
Yes, sir.
And why don't you use that time then? You need to be smart enough to sit silent when everybody is barking, if I can use that word, if you are angry with that. But when everybody is silent, you enter. What is the trouble? What is the trouble? So it is not chaotic here. It is very simple. Believe me, it is a very, very simple discussion. This is how it is going to be. And we cannot expect a different thing there. In fact, I tell you, because there are guys who are trained here. Actual में वहां पे बड़ा शांति होगा. Actual में when you go to GT in the IOCL, nobody will speak anything. There you will find the trouble that bloody nobody is speaking. Here you guys are trained now. Some of you are trained, so they are in habit of speaking now. And another thing is, this is a training going on. This is not actual stuff. But there you are also in image forming practice. You also fearing that if I do nonsense, this guy will not give me marks, which you don't fear here, right? So actual way, there will be not that much a chaotic situation. But even if there is a chaotic, don't waste your time in disciplining others. Don't do that. because you get no marks at the end, though your intention is to discipline others, but it those guys who are speaking get the marks. It is like this, yeah. Okay, in the traffic, no, in the traffic, what happens is that you are following the traffic rules. Somebody comes in the car from the behind and goes, another comes and goes, another goes. You keep on waiting, really what I'm doing. That kind of nonsense happens sometimes. That you are silent, and everybody is speaking. You are to also speak. You are all to be aggressive. That is what I'll say.
Yes,
So Renu and Vishnu and Karan, your point was you were wasting so much time in disciplining others. Don't do that next time. Just be silent. All you can do is that you are getting the mileage. Observer is watching you, and he's also watching you that when everybody is speaking, you are maintaining silent. But when they tone down, you enter and you give a point. You get that? That's it. Now another point for entire group was you guys were not behaving like an executive of a company. You were behaving like something else, and that was beyond your jurisdiction, which you could not have done. Now I start from one fellow. Karan, I start from the beginning. Karan said that we will approach the leader and we will meet them. Karan, you use the word okay very frequently. Don't use word okay very frequently. That looks informal. You will say that okay, benefit can be given to, incentive can be given to public, electricity, etc. You said okay, then coordination problem, which I wanted to tell you. Another your negative is that you look like in aggression. You don't look like in assertive mode. You look like in aggressive mode. Try to tone it down. When you speak, it looks like you are aggressive. You are fighting with somebody. You know, everybody has his own behavior pattern. So currently you need to control that part. It should not be reflected as if you are in anger mode or you are fighting with somebody. Other members may not like you, or it may send a different interpretation or meaning, right? So okay word is not to be spoken. Aggression is to be toned down, and you are not to play the role of coordinator. That is the third thing you have to understand. Now I come to the introduction part which you gave. Okay, you should approach the leaders. You should, in fact, you are the first person to speak. So your points were the actual points you had. Maybe other people might have taken points from you, but yours were the original points. Now, when you say we will approach the leader, we means who? As individual executive, you cannot do that. So you could have said that, okay, the first step a company should do is to talk to the people. But we should also know that who is going to talk with whom. Who is going to talk with whom? With whom is leader of the, not with everyone. We need to identify the leaders of those people and choose the leader and talk. But who will talk? You as engineer, as an executive cannot talk. You will tell your top management. Top management may come in contact with the local political parties which are in power or in opposition, and local administration. I want a DC, I want SP, I want MLA, and I want opposition leader, and I want CMD of my company, and I will escort him. If any technical thing he asks, as a technocrat, I will give him. If anything technical is asked, what you are expert in? You are only expert in maybe safety features, maybe technology, maybe example of no accident so far in India. You are a technocrat. Are you politician? Are you in position to decide whether free electricity can be given, or incentive can be given, or jobs can be given? Jobs giving to them, you understand the kind of decision it is? As executive, you are fighting to get job here, and you are going to give job also to others. You cannot give jobs to them. That decision is not yours. That decision is topmost your company's decision. Your company is going to give jobs to them. That is not your decision. So you as guy will be going with them. That is what actually can. You see the question. Question is reactor is to build where people are opposing. How to convince them? So you need to what to do. You need to tell exact situation how it is going to be. So that is what Karan, I think you should have done. Conclusion you said is very good. You use the other points also. People like they should know first what is the fear. What is the reason of fear? What is the cause of fear? Sometimes you may find that the reason of fear is different. I mean, there's a politically motivated mob. This is a politically motivated mob. They do not have any fear. When you ask them, do you even know what is a nuclear accident? They say, no, we don't know that. Then why you are here? Okay, he told us. Who he? Opposition leader. So you need to know the reason or cause of this agitation and fear. That is good. That is Karan. Your conclusion part was good, Karan. Introduction was also good, but only thing missing was jurisdiction. who was talking and how it was talking. Practicality was missing, and I wanted to see that practicality in executive. Actually, I was trying to think you of as executive. What is your approach? Tomorrow, if actual thing happens, now close your eyes after this GT and ask yourself, if actual this thing happens, what you will do? You will not even step out of your gate, yaar, company ke gate ke bahar. There's a mob outside there. Will you go outside? No, you will not do that. What you will say? अरे अपने बॉस को बताना है. Then अरे पुलिस को बुलाओ यार. Then अरे इनका लीडर कौन है यार, इनसे बात कौन करेगा? तमिल बोलता है वो या पंजाबी बोलता है वो, इनसे बात कौन करेगा? तो actual solution you think of, that I wanted actually. These are the theoretical things you have given, not actual solution. Actual solution is entirely different. You could have added that practicality into that. Then Siddharth said difficult task it is. Yes, it is a difficult task. It is difficult task for many reasons. Why? Because the people over there, you do not know much about that. Their background you don't know. You do not know the actual cause of agitation, actual cause of this thing. You do not know the kind of anger they have. You do not know who are the people behind them supporting them. So this is the actual ticklish situation, and they are not educated. You are going to talk as technocrat with them. Do they even know technology? They don't know that. Do they know even the safety features? They don't know that. So they will not even listen to you. You say, you know, there's a concrete shield of 10 meter thick. It can never happen. Do you think they are going to get convinced? No. They know nothing about your concrete shield and all. They don't know anything about nuclear fission process. Fusion. Somebody has put in their mind कि accident हो गया तो मर जाएंगे. तुम्हें पता है अमेरिका ने बम फेंक दिया था जापान के ऊपर, आज तक लोग गंजे पैदा होते हैं. वैसे ही हो जाएगा यहाँ पे कुछ. अब उनको कन्विंस करो तुम जाके. You cannot do that. Convincing them is very, very difficult, you know, when they are illiterate. That is a trouble actually. And they will not identify themselves with you. They will not identify. That is the reason it is a difficult task. Leader के साथ बात करनी है, safety features बताना है. You could have said that, okay, there's a way to do that. Who is going to talk politics with them? Who is going to talk law and order with them? Who is going to talk incentive with them? Who is going to talk about safety features with them? And in what language we are going to talk? Because we have to explain it in layman language. So this all the aspects are to be kept in mind for the better impact. And then safety measure, you said, company employment, you said, Siddharth, employment obviously is not our domain. You could have said that, okay, company may even think of providing some kind of employment to local youths there, but that decision is with the chief of the company. He is to decide it. I want next time, whenever some task is given to you, you as executive, try to use these terms. That chief of a company, my boss, executive, security fellow, local police. Sometimes it happens that accident has occurred, and the labor union, the union is going to be against you. So what to do? So you need to involve those authorities. You should, as executive, know whom to involve, how to involve, right? So that you should know that employment opportunity can be there, but yes, we need to talk to that about that with the local authority. And agitation के बाद local employment दे दिए जाए, that is not the policy of the company. यार, you ask Manu Kudam Kulam में when now final solution has occurred, have they signed anything in their MOU that we will give employment to them? It is a big basically liability on the company. Employment dena is a big liability on the company. What if you do not get capable people in that village? Everybody in that village is only drinking and enjoying the life. So from where you will get the technocrats in the company? Tell me. You have promised them to give them job, and you are getting nobody in the company whom you can give job. Are you not compromising with the quality of workforce in your company? So you need to think of that also. You cannot give employment that way. So yes, you need to think that. Then you said money-minded people. I don't know. I think money-mindedness came from Siddharth, your side only. What was the meaning of that money-minded?
So I thought that they would be having some other thoughts. If we keep apart that.
But it is very clearly said they are opposing it due to fear of nuclear disaster. It is very clearly mentioned in the line itself. Why money thing came to your mind?
So that may. So I thought that that might be the face, and behind it there might be something.
Okay,
else.
even if they are money-minded, what you will do? You give them money or cash or something like that. What? Even if they are money, see, all are money-minded. Already give some money. What to do? So company cannot give like that. You understand that? Even if, because if company starts giving that, it is not professionalism. Otherwise, it's very simple. No, you know, he is going to ask you here in the GT. He's going to ask you. You are in hurry. You are not putting on seat belt or helmet. You are in hurry. Your exam is at 10 o'clock. पुलिस वाला get hold of you. पुलिस वाला ने तुम्हें पकड़ लिया. तुम्हारा एग्जाम है अभी आधे घंटे के बाद. क्या करोगे बताओ? एक्चुअल में क्या करोगे? पैसा निकालोगे, बोले भाई साहब लो, मेरे को जाने दो. एक्चुअल में तो यही करोगे. बट वहां तो जीटी चल रहा है. जीटी में तो नहीं कर सकते ऐसा. जीटी में नहीं कर सकते ना. You understand, Siddharth?
Actually, sir, that question was asked to me in interview. The same question that you asked, they asked me in interview. The same question. That what you will do when police wala kept means.
What is that?
I told them that this is emergency, and I saw them the call letter, and also contacted my friend which was in exam center. I try to means so that I will try do a legal way to solve this problem.
What, you were without helmet, or what they told you? You are without helmet.
Actually, sir, they gave me a problem that you are going from your parents are means in hospital in Ahmedabad, okay, and you are pick up a train. You are in hurry, so you forget to about a ticket. And when you leave the train at Ahmedabad, you find a ticket master who asks for a ticket. And now what you will? I said that I will not have ticket, and I was going there. And then he asked that what happened if ticket master said that no, I will not allow you to go. You have not taken ticket. Then what you will do? So I will say that I will tell him that I want to. My parents are in hospital. So he said that what happened if ticket master said that call them. And I said and your whole network is not means in your phone. Then what you will do? So I said that sir, I will try to take a phone of another person. Then he asked me that what happened if you are at the station where no other people are there, only ticket master and you are there. So I only get in my mind that these people means interviewer try to ask me that I should give a bribe to them, means I should give money to ticket master. But still I try to confess, and if you do not get satisfied, then please come with me and look at the hospital. So I get last answer to that.
Okay. So anyhow, they keep on asking you in those many particular ways, right? That is way. So anyhow, you in these kind of situations, you will say, sir, I will try my level best and stick around there only. Because if somebody else has ticket, if I'm wrong, he will come and occupy his seat. But with passage of time, it will be proved that nobody comes here and this is my seat. He needs to believe you, right? You understand what my point is, Karan? You just tell him that he just wait. If it is somebody else's seat, he will come and I'll be proved wrong. Then you penalize me. But you need to trust me unless until I'm proved wrong otherwise. That is the legal domain, right? You need not to do anything, just stick around there. He cannot penalize you. He cannot imprison you. You need to deal the situation very graciously. Very graciously. That is how you have to go for, right? And you not bribe, that is a good thing. And you need not, in this case, though, you need not to even bribe the that fellow. You need not to bribe that. But police wala case mein, helmet wala case mein, that only works.
And sir, at last day he asked me that what happened if ticket master asks you for a money. So I told them that I have a money to only go for the hospital. And if you do not believe, then come with me. I will show you what is problem. That was my last answer.
नहीं ठीक है, it's okay.
अगर ऐसे कोई सिचुएशन आया, अगर मैं इलीगल चीज बता दिया कि यार ट्रेन में टिकट नहीं आया, तो मतलब मैं पुलिस को पैसे दे दूंगा या टीसी को पैसे दे दूंगा या मैं सिग्नल काट के चले जाऊंगा, ऐसे मतलब जो रियलिस्टिक है और मतलब वो सच में ऐसे ही करते ज्यादा बहुत लोग, मान लीजिए सर, और मैं ऐसा आंसर बता दिया इंटरव्यू में, तो नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट होगा क्या सर उसका?
That was sir, the interviewer was trying to force me that I should go for that means bribe. I should give a bribe to that, but I already felt that interviewer tried to get me in a corner.
Bribe, you see, India is a poor country. We all are poor, right? And moreover, COVID के time में तो we are bloody ultra poor. We don't have money. Vishnu, where is money nowadays with us? यार, we don't have money.
Not
So you are
money sir, कि अगर मुझे अब बोले कि ट्रैफिक सिग्नल है तो तोड़ के चला गया, या मतलब ऐसा ही कोई इलीगल चीज है जो नॉर्मली होता है बहुत जगह, लेकिन जैसे ट्रेन में चढ़ गया बिना टिकट के अगर आ गया, तो मैंने बोल दिया कि सर मैं पैसे दे दूंगा, मुझे जो इमरजेंसी जाना है तो मुझे जाना है, तो अभी मुझे पैसे देके मेरा
पैसे नहीं दे देगा. अरे वो तुमसे तरीका पूछ रहा है. तेरे को इमरजेंसी आ गई, तेरे को ट्रेन में जाना है, क्या करेगा बता? वैसे बता क्या करेगा? लीगली क्या करेगा? तेरे पास टिकट नहीं है, ट्रेन जा रही है, क्या करेगा?
चढ़ जाऊंगा सर.
चढ़ जाएगा, फिर क्या होगा?
क्या होगा सर? मैं चला जाऊंगा, तो चला गया.
हाँ तो फिर बता ना, इलीगल क्या है इसमें?
वहाँ इलीगल नहीं सर, जब मैं उतर गया तो तब मुझे टीसी आके पूछ रहा है कि तेरा टिकट कहाँ है.
उतर नहीं गया, तेरे को ट्रेन में पूछेगा वो.
ठीक है सर,
तो-
ट्रेन में पूछा कि तेरा टिकट क्या है, मैंने बोल
हाँ।
दूंगा नहीं है,
हाँ, फिर
वो बोलेगा वही ना सर कि अभी नहीं है, पैसे दो, तो अगर उसको पैसे देके मैं
अरे
मैनेज
नहीं
करूंगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो ऐसे पैसे नहीं मांगता है, वो बोलता है टिकट बनाओ अपना विद फाइन, वो बोलता है टिकट बनाओ विद फाइन। आई हैव टेकन शताब्दी मेनी टाइम्स विदाउट टिकट, boarded the Shatabdi, and first thing which I did, went to the TC and told, sir, I do not have ticket, but it was urgent for me to go. Actually, many times it happened that my class ended, I do not have ticket, and Shatabdi Delhi to Chandigarh is full, but I need to go. I need to go because I have another slot there. I boarded the train, went to TC, and he said, sir, I don't have ticket. He said, you know, then what is to be done? You have to pay double this. I said, I'm ready to do that. Then you need to see
So if
your
you're
pocket
not-
and pocket and urgency. You need to compare that. It is not illegal.
So if you're not having money, sir, then what?
Oh, no, Siddharth, listen to me. And another thing, I told him that I do not want any seat. If you do not have seat, don't give me any seat. Now, urgency, as Siddharth, you said, if you don't have money, then what to do? I was knowing beforehand that I can compensate my hurry with
Yeah,
my money,
yes.
double money. So I that my pocket allows not to pay 500 but 1000. My pocket allows that. But I did not do anything illegal. I told him, I went to him, right or not? I went to him.
सर अगर कोई पूछे कि अगर तुम्हारा कोई प्रोजेक्ट है कंपनी का, तुम्हें करना है, तुम्हें किसी को ब्राइब देना है, तभी प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, तो तू देगा या नहीं? तो इसको मैं क्या बोलूं कि
इसका तरीका है ना, तुम बोलोगे कि सर आई एम नो अथॉरिटी, आई नीड टू टॉक टू माय बॉस।
अगर तुम्हारी अथॉरिटी है कि अगर तुम्हारा ही डिसीजन है,
हु इज आस्किंग यू टू ब्राइब?
हाँ कि
हु इज आस्किंग यू टू ब्राइब?
इंटरव्यू में अगर पूछे तो सर ऐसा,
बट हु इज आस्किंग यू टू ब्राइब?
आगे वाले अथॉरिटी मान लीजिए कि कोई भी अथॉरिटी हो सकता है सर, कि मुझे अगर लैंड के लिए अगर कोई परमिशन दे, जो भी मुझे परमिशन, जो लीगल परमिशन चाहिए, उसके लिए कोई ब्राइब मांग रहा है मुझे, कंपनी के लिए काम है, और तो अभी तो ब्राइब देगा तो काम हो जाएगा, अगर तू ब्राइब नहीं दिया तो काम नहीं होगा, और डिसीजन तेरा ही है।
So you will say sir, I don't know, because it is like giving tip to some people. I think in some situations, you know, you give tip also to a person who feels air in your tire, you give tip to him. Sometimes it is like giving tip to some people. So I do not know, sir, honestly speaking, because first my reaction will be not to bribe, because it is not a good trend. But sometimes, you know, in the company, it is like giving tip and getting things done. That I will understand once I'm a part of company, and if it is in the favor of company, without compromising my ethics, morality, values, and without making damage to anybody, then I will do it, sir. Certainly I will do it. And if my boss says that this is the ritual, this is tip giving ritual, then obviously we have to oblige, sir. You give answers like this, what is the trouble? It happens. See, you should not do wrong to somebody. You should not do unethical, immoral activity, that you should not do. But if there is a poor fellow whom you know that if you give 10 rupees to him, then he will do his job properly, or he will be happy. Sometimes you give the tip. That is how it goes. You know, restaurant may also you give. So the tip which you give in the restaurant, do you consider it a bribe or what? Sometimes that is what you have to consider, right? So now let's come back to our normal discussion, what we were talking about. So Siddharth, this is how it was, like money minded they were not, and even if they are money minded, we cannot give money to them. We cannot give. So you said list the facilities which a company is going to give to them. Yes, as a team you can sit together and decide that. Vishnu, you wasted your time in the beginning to make others calm. That is not required. You said there's a situation here and we are to explain entire situation, but in the beginning you were explaining the entire situation very slowly. So all of us can learn this initial line of Vishnu, that okay, we have been given a situation here, and this situation looks like ticklish situation, because we are not very much aware about the things. So this is a ticklish situation, and we all are to find solution to this. So Vishnu, that was okay, but the pace at which you were speaking was very, very slow. So pace you have to increase. And you said that we all will go and stay in the village. What was that?
ऑल नहीं सर, वहाँ पे जो काम करते हैं, जो मतलब वो हमारे रिएक्टर में, उनको भी वहीं पे स्टे करवाते, तो ये बोल सकते कि हमारा लोग भी यहीं पे स्टे कर रहे हैं, और इसकी वजह से अब देखो हमारा लोग भी स्टे कर रहे हैं, उनको नहीं है, तो आपको अगर नहीं है उनको भी, ये चीज ना सर, एक आंध्रा में ना सर, रिसेंटली वैजाग में एक प्लांट का ये हुआ था, ब्लास्ट हुआ पता, तो एक गैस आके बहुत लोगों को नॉनसेंस हो गए थे, कई लोग मर भी गए थे। तो नेक्स्ट डे सब ठीक हो गया था। तब जो एपी सीएम जगनमोहन रेड्डी है, उन्होंने बोला था कि हमारा एमएलए जाके वो गांव में रहेगा नेक्स्ट डे, जो नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट डे, कि वहां पे लोगों को ये दिलाने के लिए कि हमारा एमएलए जाके रहेगा, कि वहां पे लोगों को भरोसा दिखाने के अभी ठीक हो गया है। सो दैट वाज केम इनटू माय माइंड एंड आई सेड कि हमारे लोग भी यहाँ पे स्टे करेंगे, तो वो थोड़ा भरोसा ज्यादा गेन करता है, उसके लिए मैंने वो बोला था सर।
No, that is good, not a bad point. That is a good point, that to convince them कि see, if there's a fear of danger and death, सबसे पहले तो we will die because we are inside the plant, you are outside the plant, so we will die. That is a good persuasive point, you can say. That is a good persuasive point. You have said, not bad. Safety measures, shield, technology demonstration, all these things, okay, we will do that. Again, what missing part here was, you guys have given good points, you know, you have said that okay, we will try to give incentive, but who? We, that you need to see. Okay, we will demonstrate them the technology and safety. To whom and who will demonstrate? You need to demonstrate very basic features, as I think they were fighting Karan and Rahul said in basic terms we will explain. Karan said they will not understand, so very basic things you will explain. Okay, safety features, that this nothing happens, this is how it goes in a very basic terms. Maybe you can take the help of school teacher in the village. There will be a school teacher of science in the village. Don't you think so? The village guys are there. What about the engineers of that local area serving in the junior engineer in that village? You call the junior engineer from the village. Yeah, he's from your category, you know, he's or your species. So call a teacher, science teacher. He will understand there is something which is called nuclear physics. There is something which is called science. So that local science teacher of the school will be in better position to tell them the technology through you. You will convince him. This all has happened in many places in India, including ISRO. You go and read the book of Kalam Saab, you know, Wings of Fire, and he explains how Thamba area was created. There was a church there, and how they convinced them to vacate that church and create the ISRO station today. So these things are there. You need to take local people in confidence. Sometimes the school teacher whom you are calling, you are saying, sir, you are our savior. Nobody knows science in their village except you, and we want you to explain them science, that science is safe thing. That village teacher will feel proud, you know, he will come to your rescue, he will behave like Rajnikant and pacify everybody that nuclear disaster cannot happen. So you need to take people on your side also. But which kind of people? The people who can convince them. Think of that also. And actually practically this is how it happens in these kind of situations. You need to take people on your side. You cannot convince them. Okay, then Anand, you said this is you started reading entire task which was given to you, and you said that safety equipment measures to reduce the radiation effect, electricity, even water is to be given, and then you introduce even nationalist concept that nation is more than local thing and all. You see, that is okay thing, but in our country, unfortunately, nation comes later. Self-interest, local interest, regional interest, and then come national interest. That is how it goes. Practically speaking, okay, you can put all these points that your area will develop. You say that your area will develop, you know, and area will develop in infrastructure wise. Corporate social responsibility, I think mentioned what Ashish said about corporate social responsibility. Area will develop, infrastructure will develop, and these are the benefits which will come to you. So you will explain the kind of benefits which will come to you, and that not only you will explain, but it will come from the authorities. Your chief will tell something about the corporate social responsibility. Local politician will tell what kind of benefits will happen. So before meeting these people, please meet the local leaders, local bureaucrats, local technocrats. Listen again. Before meeting these people, meet local administration, local leaders, local technocrats. Why local technocrats? Because they will explain them technology. Why local bureaucrats? They will control the situation. Why local politician? They can tell anything which you want to tell to them, anything. They do not have any kind of censor on them. So you want to tell that, okay, compensation will be given to them, tell the politician to tell, because they are not to be held accountable or responsible for that. They can tell that, okay, this thing is given, this is to be given, we will provide you this and we'll provide you that. Everything they can tell, you know. That is how these guys should be on your side, and that is how you have to push it through. So Baki, everything was good. Anand, you concluded also nicely. You said that in the conclusion, you said employment, electricity, all these things again you mentioned, but authority is to be given. Manu, you explained very well. Complex task, not educated people, how to convince them, that will be difficult. That is what Manu said. And incentive, electricity, employment, safety measures, thick concrete walls. See, everything which you could have told to the people, that point is good. But my only point was, who will tell this? Are you authority? and how to tell this. These two things were missing in your discussion. Yes.
सर दो इसमें प्रॉब्लम में अपने को ये मेंशन नहीं था ना कि आई एम एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर.
Now what are you then?
कुछ भी
No, what he is assuming you for that only.
अपने मन से कैसे कुछ.
Yes. I said reactor is to be built in your company. Okay, so I ask you, if you assume yourself something in a company, what do you want to assume?
अभी तो एज एग्जीक्यूटिव ही एज्यूम करेंगे.
नहीं, तुम ना तो अपने आप को पीएन एज्यूम करोगे, ना तुम अपने आप को सीएमडी एज्यूम करोगे. तो जो भी एज्यूम करोगे वो एग्जीक्यूटिव ही रहा, बाकी तो कुछ है ही नहीं. ये भी टास्क का ही पार्ट है. व्हाट डू यू अज्यूम योरसेल्फ टू बी? दिस इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ टास्क. आई टेल यू that your company wants to build a reactor in the village. This has happened. What to do? What is the solution? How you will convince them? That means you need to, you see, I want to check whether you assume yourself as executive or not. When he says that there's a TC in the train, you don't have ticket, what do you want to do? Suppose this question is asked from a student. He will show his I card. Sir, मैं तो student हूँ, 1 रुपया नहीं है, खाने तक के रोटी नहीं है, जेल में डालना है डाल दो. I tell you, as a student, it was far easier for me. When I was reading in any college and I was having I card, that I card, and when I was serving in Defense Department, I got Ministry of Defense I card. Tell me which I card was strong, as a school or college student or as executive class 1 officer of defense. Tell me which I card was more powerful. I tell you honestly, it was college I card. Why? Because as class 1 officer, I cannot say I am bhukha, nanga, do not have money. I cannot say that because there's, sir, you are responsible fellow. Without ticket, you are traveling. It is not true. It is not good. Not only you are bringing disgrace to you, you are bringing disgrace to your department also. Plus, he will never understand you don't have money. And as a student college, sir, क्या करना है? जेल डालना है, जेल डाल दो. मेरे पास 1 रुपया नहीं है सर. मेरे को तो खाने की रोटी नहीं है, तो चढ़ गया इसमें. So you are nothing because you are totally this thing, no trouble. As a student you can do that. So I am giving you this problem as executive now, and you have to answer like executive. You have to answer like executive, graciously, logically. There is a TC and you don't have ticket. You lost your ticket in the hospital. Then you tell TC, okay, I lost the ticket. I'm a human being. I can lose that. But does that prove that this is not my seat? If this is not my seat, somebody else will come within 5 minutes or next station, and then you penalize me. You throw me out of the train. But I'm telling you, this is my seat. And you also have documents nowadays. Don't you have documents? You have everything. Oh, नाम लिखा होगा यार, उस पे मेरे पास सीट नहीं, तुम्हारे पास नाम लिखा होगा यार. आप देख लो ना उसको. I'm telling you honestly, believe me on that. This is not, I'm not telling wrong. Convince him like that. Yaar. This approach I want to check. I want to check this approach. Whether you are behaving as school student, college student, or as executive. This approach I'm checking, nothing else.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, my data is about to exhaust. Just one question I want to ask before leaving. Sir, can you please rate me, sir?
So as your data gets exhausted, Siddharth, as your data gets completed, you come close to laptop or what happens?
Yes, sir. The charge exhausted
Okay.
first. So
Speak fast before you die.
So the charge exhausted. So I am currently it's in the charging port, and the data is also showing it's going to exhaust. Sir, can you rate my performance? I think it's going to be my last GT or GT.
Okay, all the best. You made me so sentimental and emotional. So Siddharth, yours was good, man. Difficult task to. I told you, no, this is everything I told you about you. Your discussion at the end, you said nice discussion. It was not nice discussion. Anand said it was chaotic discussion. So it was not nice discussion at the end. You said conclusion. Mein. You said we had a nice discussion. Where was it nice? Anand said rightly. It said it was a chaotic discussion, but we could reach the conclusion. We could come out with the good points. That was the right thing. That is the right thing, Siddharth. The rest is okay, Siddharth. We wish you all the very best, man. You will blast.
Okay,
when is your interview?
It's on 5th, sir.
5th, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are the leader for all of us now. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
good.
sir.
So Manu, you
Siddharth.
go
Thanks,
Siddharth.
bye.
Now. Okay. So this Manu, you said good. I mean, all the points were good, very good points, and Kudam Kulam point was the best. You could give the real example. This has happened earlier also, and it was the best. And then Ankit, identify the leaders. You said benefit, jobs, local, dumping of the radiation you will give. And Ankit, the way you concluded was very good, point wise. listen to the villagers, safety, benefit, CSR. That is Ankit. Conclusion was best. Manu, your conclusion was also good. You could people money wise, you should not have mentioned in the conclusion. That was not a good convincing point about money. You could not reach anywhere. You will convince the local leaders and jobs and electricity, etc. That was also good point. So all the points which were given by you guys are good, but only thing was who said what. That was the point. Ashish, you need not to mention about the members who have already spoken before you, because that when you introduce, no, you are the first one. Assume that way. You talked about environment impact assessment and CSR activity. But I tell you honestly, again, the point is a local village fellow. He may not understand anything, you know. You need to say how you have to say that. That is sewerage treatment plant, road. Okay, local engineer, you will take the help of local junior engineer, and that is how you will tell him that these are the things which we are to give. Just give me a sec. So all these things which you have to explain, you have to explain it through local technocrat, right? So if you would have added, okay, sir, there is something which is like local sewerage plant, junior engineer of the village must be there. I will call him and I will discuss this. That would have been better. So then conclusion part was there. Meeting, convincing, simple language may, environment impact assessment, infrastructure. In fact, infrastructure and corporate social responsibility is really good. In fact, the company where company established its plant, that area develops. Everybody knows that area develops, and that is where you can convince people. You can show them photograph of the areas that where we have developed all this. Yes, that was good. But who will tell that? If you would have added that, that would have been given very.
That was the missing point.
Yes. So all of you, when GT is given to you, assume yourself to be graduate trainee undergoing working in that particular company, and then what you would have done. Renu, you mentioned group discussion. It is a group task that you should have mentioned. Then you said that technology reduces the radiations. You will give those kind of examples. You could have said that we will, in very simple terms, explain them the safety or safety norms. As a technocrat, you will explain that. But you cannot talk about the compensation or responsibility, that anything happens, I am responsible. Renu is there, nothing to worry. You cannot say that, Renu. You understand? You need to say that from some authority stuff. Don't you are not to coordinate others. If others are not listening, don't play the role of coordinator. Conclusion part was good. You said that meeting will be there, safety features are to be done, and then convince the people. These are the 3 points. That was the best part, right? Then Rahul, meeting the village. Rahul gave very good in the introduction. He said meeting the village with the Pradhan. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so Rahul, you started introducing very point-wise point. That was very good. Meeting the village Pradhan, technology to be shown, safety norms to be shown. As you are meeting Pradhan, meet the school teacher, science school teacher, meet the junior engineer, meet other people also who can understand. Why you guys forgot that? Why you are only bringing the politician from village? Why not technocrats from village? That part I wanted you to bring. Then arrange the meeting with Pradhan. You are only meeting with Pradhan who will not understand you at all. So that is good, but yes, bring somebody who understands you. Then conclusion part was also very good by Rahul. So you could enter in between. Rahul, in group task, don't be very assertive or aggressive in the discussion. It may go against you. Like Karan and Renu and Vishnu, they at one point of time they were saying that it is a task. It is a task. Why you people are fighting? So that may go against aggressive members also, like you and Siddharth and I think Anand. They were aggressive people. Garam Dal, other was Naram Dal. Congress, Garam Dal, Naram Dal, you know, and fighting. So that was not looking good. So you need to make a balance. Those who speak a lot, they need to control. Those who do not speak, try to enter. And you have to basically manage it. So this is all from this thing discussion perspective. Anything you want to ask? All right, you understood this point? It's very, very simple, not a problem at all. We'll keep on doing it. Tomorrow also we'll go for it. You want a task or GD tomorrow?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
We want both GD and GT. It will give another round to practice.
Tomorrow you want GD or GT? That is what I'm asking. Task or
discussion, sir?
Discussion. Possible, both GD at afternoon and GT at night. So it will help.
one day में only one will be happen at the same time 8:30. So group discussion you want?
The
Group
discussion is
task, I guess, sir.
Group
We are
task you
ready.
want?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
task.
okay, see.
Yes,
let's
sir.
see
Group
the
task we want.
Okay, Manu, tell me.
Sir, in this situation, can we even talk about this compensation? Because first thing when we talk about compensation, they'll be
Compensation you need to
next
avoid. Compensation you need to avoid is a big trouble. Nuclear case mein compensation you need to avoid.
Okay.
Don't talk. That is a liability on your company.
Okay,
Your
sir.
company will kick you out of the this thing, your job. You know, compensation nobody can talk in nuclear. Don't say
Sir,
that.
if it is something like a gas pipeline, like IOCL is doing, can we
Yes.
mention that?
Yes, yes, you can mention. Examples you can mention.
Sir,
Always
as
help.
Manu said that, for example, if IOCL means interview give that we are going to lay a pipeline through the farms of the people and they are resisting, like that type of stuff. So in that case too, we do not.
Land compensation, life compensation is a big trouble. Land compensation is given, always given. That is a good thing. Land le liya, I occupied your land. See, land has already been taken by the company. You understand that in this case? You are entering at the moment when land has already been occupied. You need to understand that also. It is not the case when company is taking the land. It is not that case. Land is taken and then company is given that land by the state government. That is how it happens. You are not acquiring the land. You need to understand that intricacy also. You come in picture when land has already been acquired. हाँ, pipe को अगर तुम lay कर रहे हो, तुमने एक additional pipe बनानी है, तो you need some land. There you can
तो
talk
उसके
about
लिए कन्विंस करने को पूछा जाए, ऐसा टास्क दिया जाए तो हमें कि आपको फार्मर को कन्विंस करो कि हमें पाइप लैंड लेट करनी है यहाँ से।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो उस केस में सर हम क्या क्या पॉइंट्स रखने चाहिए?
उसमें अगेन इन सब लोगों
प्रैक्टिकल
को
है
साथ में लो, bring all these guys with you, administration, local, village, everybody, and tell that as a technocrat what you can contribute. You can say that, but bring all these guys with you. Fine. That is the actual thing. Now close your eyes and think actual में क्या करोगे, वही आंसर है. That is what you will do. No theory, only practical. Fine. चलो, good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.